Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Business and Management, where your future in the business world begins. We offer a variety of programs tailored to equip students with knowledge, practical skills, and experience to prepare them for the challenges of the global marketplace. Our dedicated faculty members are industry experts and are committed to hone future entrepreneurs, marketing professionals, and business leaders. Begin your quest towards a successful career in business at NCF College of Business and Management. Enroll now and be a certified business-minded tiger.
Realize your dream community. Stay accessible. Invest in a high-value property at the Palm Village located at Zone 2, San Felipe, Naga City, and live 5 minutes away from Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City churches, Naga City universities, and secondary learning institutions. Palm Village is developed by Enjoy Realty and Development Corporation, realizing dream communities using Arise technology, making your family's home the safest, with solid concrete buhos, typhoon-resistant, fire-resistant, pest-resistant, and earthquake-resistant. Get a quote today. Talk to our accredited real estate brokers or salespersons, or visit Enjoy Realty and Development Corporation on the second floor, Aman Corporate Center, Parkview Executive Townhomes, Zone 6, San Felipe, Naga City, or call 0929-608-3744 and 054-884-5188 to make an appointment. Follow our Facebook page, Enjoy Realty and Development Corporation, for more details.
Bilis laki, nipis taba, BMEG! Bilis kita! Para sigurado, tinuloy-tuloy ko hanggang BMEG Premium Grower 1 and 2. Ito lang ang may Lean Plus technology. Kaya mas mabigat at manipis ang taba sa panahon ng pagbenta. Kaya mabilis ang kita. Tuloy nyo na! Bilis laki, nipis taba, BMEG! Bilis kita! Tuloy-tuloy ang BMEG Premium. Tuloy-tuloy ang kita.
Magandang hapon po sa ating mga viewers, lalong-lalo na po sa mga nanonood sa atin on our Oragon Sports TV Facebook page at sa ating Bukal Facebook pages. I am Mark Christian Amante at ako po ang inyong mga kasama sa laban ng ating ACLC at ng ating Annunciation Panthers in the Juniors Division. Mamaya-maya makasama natin ang aking partner na si Christine Alcanzo Reyes. Mamaya-maya po yan. At bago po yan, bago magsimula ang laban na ito ng ACLC at Annunciation Panthers, kani-kanina ay naglaban ang ating Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith at STI Olympians sa Juniors Division na nagkaroon po tayo ng final score na 79-76 at nagwagi po nga dito ang ating Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. And as of this moment po na nakikita po natin ngayon dito sa Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium, talagang nag-uumpisa nang mag-prepare ang ating dalawang koponan, ang ating ACLC Hawks at ang ating Annunciation Panthers. At mamaya-maya lamang po ay magsisimula po ang ating laban dito sa Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. Ayan. Hello po sa ating mga nanonood via Oragon Sports TV Facebook page at Bukal Facebook page. Maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta dito po sa ating Bukal Season 6. And now, simula na nga po ng laban ng ating ACLC versus Annunciation Panthers with that tip-off. Ayan. Maru of the Annunciation Panthers. A steal from our ACLC and back-to-back steal nitong ating dalawang koponan dito sa laban na ito. And first point ang nakuha ng ating Annunciation Panthers at this moment. And now, parang makahingi tayo ng update mula sa side ng ating Annunciation Panthers. Let's have our courtside reporter, Rain. Rain, what's the update there?
Marhay na hapon, Bicolandia. We are back at Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium as we witness the battle of the ACLC Hawks and the Annunciation College of Athens Sorsogon. According to their team captain, Adrian Diaz, who's been a part of the last season's matchup of the Hawks and the Panthers, they're indeed expecting a strong opponent today. But of course, bilang isang pusong Panther, he and his team are ready and prepared for the challenge. Karagdagan pa nga dito ay their focus was on their defense, kaya pinaghandaan talaga nila ang laban na ito. Now the question is, mananay kaya ang pusong Panther sa larong ito? Stay tuned only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon ng Montiel, TV48 Naga. I am Rain Reyes and I am your courtside resident on the side of the Annunciation College of Athens Sorsogon. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Rain, for that update sa side ng ating Annunciation Panthers. And as of this moment nga, mga kaibigan, ayan, ayan, we are now starting our first quarter at wala pa rin po, hindi pa rin nahabol ng ating ACLC Hawks ang puntos nitong ating Annunciation Panthers. That's good for another 2 points na mauuwi nitong ating Annunciation Panthers. At para makahingi tayo ng update sa side ng ating ACLC Hawks, let's have our courtside reporter, Chen. Chen, what's the update there?
Good afternoon, Mark, and hello, Bicolandia. Ako po si Chen Shaira Nicolas at ako po ang makakasama nyo ngayon dito sa side ng ACLC Hawks. The ACLC Hawks ready to claw their way to victory. They are taking the court this afternoon with a hunger for victory. They are focused on how to communicate properly on the hard court. They are going to strengthen their defense and natalo na nila ang Panthers kaya hindi na mahirap sa kanila kung ano ang galaw ng kalaban dahil mas inigyan nila ang pag-eensayo. Alam mo, Mark, they are not afraid for this matchup because they are ready to prove to everyone what the ACLC Hawks are made of. Kaya naman sikaping tumutok dito lang sa Bukal Season 6, One Media, TV48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Chen, for that update sa side ng ating ACLC Hawks. Tama, sikapin ng ating ACLC Hawks na makuha ang kampyonato because as of this moment, ang ACLC Hawks po ay may 5 panalo at 1 talo. And on the other side of things, ang ating Annunciation Panthers ay merong 1 panalo at 5 talo for this elimination round of Bukal Season 6. And as of this moment, we are now again on the first quarter. 4-0 po ang ating nasa talaan. Naunguna pa rin po ng 4 na puntos itong ating Annunciation Panthers. Ano kaya mga techniques, ano mga strategies ang gagawin nitong ng ating ACLC Hawks rather para mas makalamang or mahabol itong kalamangan nitong Annunciation Panthers. And at this moment, that's good! 2 points ang madaragdag sa ating ACLC Hawks. That will be their first point dito sa larong ito ng ngayong hapon. Now, Maru holding the ball for that long 3 points. That's good. Yung depensa at offense nitong Annunciation Panthers natin ngayong hapon ay makikita natin on this first quarter. Kaya talaga namang kailangang mag-double effort at double time itong ating ACLC Hawks. Now, no good on that offensive rebound. That's good. Now, Annunciation Panthers basketball. And a steal from our ACLC Hawks. We have jersey number 14. Pinasa kay jersey number 3. That's good. That's a long 3 coming from jersey number 20 of the ACLC Naga. Now, Annunciation Panthers basketball. Pero, steal from our ACLC Hawks. No good on that. And a turnover. Turnover of size ng bola as of this moment. At we are now on 7-all. Tabla na po ang ating Annunciation Panthers at ACLC Hawks. Ano kayang gagawin nitong dalawang koponan na ito para makalamang dito sa ating laro ngayong hapon? At shoutout natin yung ating mga viewers na nanonood ngayon dito sa ating Facebook live stream on Bukal. Hello po, good afternoon kay Wawa, kay Legel, Nicole Sandigan, Jodam, Andre Rodriguez at kay Jasper Abante na nagsa-celebrate ng kanyang birthday ngayong hapon. Ngayong araw rather. Happy birthday, Jasper. And gusto ko din na batiin ang lahat po ng ating mga guro ng Happy World Teachers Day ngayong araw. Happy Teachers Day po sa ating lahat. And as of this moment, may player from our Annunciation Panthers ang nasa floor at inaasikaso ng ating medics because of some injury na kanyang natamo within the game here on our first quarter. 5 minutes and 17 ang natitira po natin sa ating oras. 9-7 po ang ating nasa scoreboard. 2 puntos po ang kalamangan nitong ating ACLC Naga. Ano kayang gagawin na itong ating Annunciation Panthers para makahabol dito sa kalamangan ng ating ACLC Hawks? Now, Annunciation's basketball, no good on that. And the ball will now remain. Ay mapupunta nga ngayon sa ating ACLC Hawks. Now we have jersey number 20 there. Sandigan. Pinasa kay jersey number 2. Communication out there. Pero grabe yung depensang ipinapakita ng ating Annunciation Panthers at this moment. At binigyan nga ng foul si jersey number 24 ng Annunciation Panthers. That's Diaz. At mabibigyan nga ng dalawang free throw shot itong si jersey number 14, Guarin of the ACLC Hawks. Let's see. That's good. Adding 1 point on their score. 10-7 po ang ating nasa talaan. 3-point lead po ang ating ACLC Hawks as of this moment. Ano kayang gagawin nitong ating Annunciation Panthers para makamit at para makalamang dito sa ating ACLC Hawks? Now, Annunciation Panthers basketball. For that long three, no good on that. Now, ACLC's basketball. Holding the ball is Basagre of the ACLC Hawks. Basagre communicating with his teammates. Sandigan. Passing again to Basagre. Basagre sinusuong ang depensa ng Annunciation. Pero naubusan ng 24-second shot clock itong ating ACLC Hawks. At napatawagan ng timeout itong ating Annunciation Panthers dahil sa kalamangang meron ngayon ng ating ACLC Hawks. 10-7 po ang ating nasa talaan, 3-point lead ang nandito po sa ating first quarter with 4 minutes and 3. Ano-ano kayang mga gagawing strategy, techniques at tactics nitong dalawang koponan natin ngayon ng ACLC at ang Annunciation dito sa ating laban ngayong hapon. And now gusto po namin pasalamatan ng aming mga sponsors na College Foundation, Gold Clofa Construction, ACLC Naga, Lemon Residences, Ateneo de Naga University, NCF Wings, KD Sportswear and Apparel, Garden Cafe, Nagayon Travel and Tours, NCFV Gallery and Museum, Tigers Cafe, NCF Training Pool, NCF Indoor Firing Range, and this coverage is powered by Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated and Ravenous Communications Incorporated. Thank you so much po sa ating mga generous sponsors. And now we're back to the ball game. Kailangang maging maingat dito sa ating first quarter itong ating Annunciation Panthers because as of this moment, malapit na sila sa penalty situation. At ito namang ating ACLC Hawks, kailangan wag silang pakampante. They must be consistent sa mga actions na ginagawa nila dahil nasa kanila ngayon ang kalamangan ng ating first quarter. And now, grabe yung pinapakitang depensa, but Traveling ang itinawag kay jersey number 10 of ACLC Naga, and traveling is more fun with Nagayon Travel and Tours. Now, Annunciation Panthers basketball. Jersey number 34, that long three, no good on that. Offensive rebound. At mabibigyan nga dito ng free throw shot ang ating Annunciation Panthers. We have Escolina on the free throw line. That's good. 10-8 ang ating nasa talaan as of this moment at naibaba na po sa 2 puntos ang kalamangan nitong ating ACLC Naga. Now, let's see kung maibababa pa sa 1 puntos ang kalamangan. And that's good. 1 puntos na lamang nga po ang kalamangan nitong ating ACLC Naga. Huwag dapat silang pakampante at as of this moment. Now, Sandigan. At natawagan nga ng foul itong si jersey number 30 of the Annunciation Panthers. Kaya the ball will still remain on the ACLC Naga. Now, Padayaw. Medyo nagkakaroon na ng momentum as of this moment ang laban na ito ng ating dalawang koponan. At napatawag nga ulit ng timeout ang side nitong ating ACLC Naga kasi mukhang nakakahabol na itong ating Annunciation Panthers. 10-9 po ang ating nasa talaan with 2 minutes and 56 on our time here sa ating first quarter. Ano kayang gagawin ng ating ACLC Hawks para hindi sila mahabol nitong ating Annunciation Panthers as of this moment? Shoutout po tayo sa ating mga viewers. Hello po kay Ma'am Irene Tosok, Rafa Donor Lovendino, Leslyn Habala, and Maria Verna Cortez Mendoza. Happy watching po and hope you are enjoying watching Bukal Season 6 only here at Oragon Sports TV. Now, we're back here on our ball game. Nanonood pa rin po kayo dito sa Oragon Sports TV ang laban ng ACLC Hawks versus Annunciation Panthers. We are on the first quarter nitong laban nila with 2 minutes and 56 remaining. 10-9 po ang ating nasa talaan. 1 point lead po ang hawak nitong ating ACLC Hawks. Now, ACLC's basketball. We have jersey number 7 to inbound. Jersey number 29 on that 3, no good. Offensive rebound. That's good. That's courtesy of jersey number 7 of the ACLC Naga. At makakatanggap pa ng free throw shots itong ating ACLC Hawks for that foul committed by a player of the Annunciation Panthers. That's good. Adding 1 point on their team. 39 ang ating nasa talaan. Now Annunciation's basketball. Sinusuong ng ating Annunciation ang depensa ng ACLC and that's good. Courtesy of jersey number 10, Hachazo of the Annunciation Panthers. Now ACLC's basketball. Sandigan for the 3. No good on that. Now offensive rebound. No good again for the 3rd time. No good. And turnover ng bola ang magaganap dito. The ball will remain on the Annunciation Panthers. Now Detura holding the ball. Jersey number 4. That's good. That's courtesy of Esculona of the Annunciation Panthers. At nasa kanila na nga po ang kalamangan as of this moment. 14-13 ang ating nasa scoreboard. 1 point lead itong ating Annunciation Panthers. At naibalik ulit sa ating ACLC Hawks ang kalamangan. 50-14. Grabe, ang intense agad ng laban nitong ating dalawang kuponan as of this moment of the first quarter with 1 minute and 18 remaining on our clock. Nakikita natin yung determinasyon at pagsisipag nitong ating dalawang kuponan para makuha ito ating kampyonato for this afternoon's game. Because as what we said a while ago, ang Annunciation Panthers ay may isang panalo pa lang dito sa elimination round ng Bukal Season 6. But on the other hand, itong ACLC Hawks ay merong 5 panalo as of this moment. We will see if madaragdagan ba ang panalo nitong ating ACLC Hawks or madaragdagan at magiging 2 ang panalo nitong ating Annunciation Panthers. No good on that. Second offensive rebound. They are trying and trying para mas lalo makalamang dito sa Annunciation Panthers. Pero natawagan ng foul itong si jersey number 18 of the Annunciation Panthers. That's Detura. Na mabibigyan ng 2 free throw shot itong si jersey number 7 of the ACLC Hawks. That's good. Nakabang agad yung player ng ating ACLC Hawks now. We have 20.33 seconds remaining at natawagan ng traveling violation itong player ng Annunciation Panthers. Kaya turnover a ball dito sa ating natitirang 19 seconds dito sa ating first quarter. Let's see kung sino ang makakalamang dito sa unang quarter ng laban na ito. No good on that. Offensive rebound. Sinusung ang depensa ng Annunciation Panthers. And that's it for our first quarter. 17-14 lamang ang ating ACLC Hawks as of this moment. Magbabalik po kami for the second quarter of this game dito lamang sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Leap into the limitless possibilities at Danaga College Foundation Incorporated College of Computer Studies, where your journey to becoming a tech visionary begins. We provide cutting-edge curriculum and state-of-the-art facilities to create an ideal setting for hands-on learning and innovation. We offer 4 programs where you will develop your critical thinking and problem-solving, equipped with technical skills in fostering professional growth. Your future in tech starts here. Choose NCF College of Computer Studies.
Now we're back here at Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium para sa labang ACLC Hawks at Annunciation Panthers. At iniwan po natin ang first quarter with 17-14 dito sa ating talaan. 3 puntos ang kalamangan nitong ating ACLC Hawks. And we are now on the second quarter of the game. Ano kayang gagawing tactics at strategies nitong ating Annunciation Panthers para makahabol dito sa ating ACLC Hawks. Now, ACLC's basketball. Communication. Yan ang kailangan na consistency nitong ating ACLC Hawks. Stepping on the line. Now, turn over a ball dito. Annunciation's basketball. Detura holding that ball. Pero napalakas ng tira itong si Detura on that sequence now. Turnover ng ball at nasa ACLC ang ating bola now. Jersey number 3 to jersey number 2 of the ACLC Hawks. That's good. That's an additional 2 points sa kanilang team. 19-14 po ang ating nasa talaan. And gayon, makahingi naman tayo ng update kung ano bang mga tactics at strategies ang gagawin itong ating ACLC Hawks. We have our courtside reporter, Chen. Chen, what's the update there?
Thank you, Mark. We are now on the second quarter of the game at the ACLC Hawks must have to strengthen their defense dito sa ating second quarter. Kailangan nilang magkaroon ng proper positioning and passing para maka-execute ng maayos. Kailangan lang nilang mas sipagan palalo sa loob ng hardcourt. Yan muna ang latest dito sa side ng Hawks. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Chen, for that update sa side ng ating ACLC Hawks. Nagsipagan lang lalo netong ating mga players ng ACLC Hawks para makamit nila ang kanilang pang-anim na panalo ngayon dito sa Bukal Season 6. And as of this moment, we have a jersey number 10 of the ACLC on the free throw line. And now, hingi naman tayo ng update sa side ng ating Annunciation Panthers. We have our courtside reporter, Rain. Rain, what's the update there?
Thank you, Mark. During the huddle, the players were reminded to not rush their plays and to implement the man-to-man defense. Proper zones should always be observed and applied for a better execution of their offense. Be mindful where and who you pass the ball. Dagdag pa ni Coach Van is to avoid unnecessary fouls and always backs out. Ending the first quarter with their opponent leading a 3-point gap, they sure are ready to take the second quarter. Yan muna ang update on this side ng Back to the Panel.
Thank you so much, Rain, for that update sa side ng ating Annunciation Panthers. They must double their time. They must execute in an efficient and effective way ngayong second quarter because medyo nakakalamang na ito ating ACLC Hawks. And that's good. That's a 3-point shot courtesy of jersey number 3, Basagre of the ACLC Hawks now. Annunciation's basketball. At talaga nakikita ko ngayon ang suporta nito ating ACLC community dito at talagang natutuwa sila sa sunod-sunod na pasok nitong players ng ACLC Hawks and napatawagan ng timeout itong ating Annunciation Panthers because medyo natatambakan na sila nitong ating ACLC Hawks. We have 27-16 on our scoreboard, 7 minutes and 29. And we have an instant replay out there kung ano nung nangyari on that moment. So a player of the Annunciation Panther as what we saw on that replay. Medyo natamaan dito sa may left side ng kanyang mata. Right side rather of his eye. And let's see if makakalaro pa siya ngayong second quarter. And now we're back on the ball game. 27-16 po ang ating nasa talaan. And the second quarter with 7 minutes and 29. And you are still watching here sa Oragon Sports TV and Bukal Facebook page. Do not forget to like and follow our official Facebook pages, One Media TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, and Bukal Facebook pages. And do not forget to subscribe One Media TV 48 Naga's official YouTube channel. And now, ACLC's basketball. Ang ganda nung long pass na yon ng ating ACLC Hawks. Now, let's see kung talagang matatambakan nila itong ating Annunciation Panthers. And on that cue, an additional 2 points was added on the ACLC Hawks. 29-16 po ang ating nasa talaan. Now, grabe yung depensang ipinapakita nitong ating ACLC Hawks para hindi magkaroon ng puntos itong ating Annunciation Panthers at sunod-sunod ang puntos na ibinibigay nitong ating ACLC Hawks. And on the other hand, itong ating Annunciation Panthers medyo wala pa sa kanilang momentum dito sa ating laro. 31-16 po ang ating nasa talaan. We are on the second quarter. No good on that. Now ACLC's basketball. Back-to-back steal from both teams here. For that three, no good on that. Now offensive rebound. No good. Offensive rebound again. For that long three, no good on that. Now, ACLC's basketball. Medyo napasobra ng konti ang Hagis. Nagkaroon ng miscommunication on that part ng ating ACLC Hawks. And now, turnover of ball dito sa ating Annunciation Panthers. At pasalamatan po natin ang ating mga sponsors, Aman Engineering Enterprise, Enjoy Realty and Development Corporation, Skytech Advertising, owned and managed by Mac Mendoza, Duty Free Philippines, shop at dutyfreephilippines.com.ph, Universidad de Santa Isabel, BMEG, alagang number 1, and Department of Agriculture, Bicol. Thank you so much po for supporting Bukal Season 6. Now, back to the ball game. That's good. That's courtesy of jersey number 6 of the ACLC Hawks. That's Ontolan. Now, Annunciation's basketball. Medyo nahihirapan itong ating Annunciation Panthers as of this moment because sa pinapakitang depensa nitong ating ACLC Hawks. Ano kayang pwede nilang gawin para makahabol dito sa puntos neto ating ACLC Hawks with 33 as of this moment. Now we have jersey number 29 of the Annunciation Panthers on the free throw line. That's Ebed. Let's see if makakadagdag ba sa puntos ang gagawing free throw shot nito ni Ebed. No good on that. Now, offensive rebound over here ng ating Annunciation Panthers. Maru, no good on that. Offensive rebound again. Jersey number 18, Detura. Detura for that 3. No good again. Now, ACLC's basketball. A steal again from our Annunciation Panthers. Sinusuong ang depensa netong ating ACLC Hawk. But they steal netong ating ACLC Hawk. Sandigan for that 2. No good on that. A back-to-back steal from both teams. Grabe, medyo nagiging intense etong ating laban here sa second quarter ng ating laban. Shoutout kay Andre Liarena and kay Nex Tioxon Disuangco. Thank you so much po for watching Bukal Season 6. Now, ACLC's basketball. A steal from our Annunciation Panthers. Libreng-libre, but no good on that. Now, let's see if makakapuntos ito ating ACLC. But a steal from our Annunciation Panther was happened. Now, jersey number 28 for that long 3, no good. Steal again from our ACLC Hawks. No good. And the ball will now remain dito sa ating Annunciation Panthers. At kailangan mag-ingat dito nitong ating Annunciation Panthers because katulad nung nangyari sa first quarter, malapit na sila sa penalty situation as of this moment. Now, no good on that. Offensive rebound, no good. Now, ACLC's basketball. Talagang nakikita mo yung determinasyon nitong dalawang kupunan natin ngayong hapon because they want to earn a point dito sa ating elimination round ng Bukal Season 6 at makapasok sa ating quarterfinals sa mga gaganap malapit na. For that 3, no good on that. Now, Annunciation's basketball. Maganda yung pinapakitang communication ngayon ng ating Annunciation Panthers pero medyo nababahiran because of the defense depensa nitong ating ACLC Hawks na ginagawa on this second quarter. At simula pa lang nung first quarter natin, nakikita natin na medyo nahihirapan na talaga itong ating Annunciation Paddlers para makapuntos dito sa ating laro. We have 33-18. Hindi pa rin po gumagalaw ang ating puntos as of this moment. At lamang na lamang pa rin po itong ating ACLC Naga. Now, Maru on the free throw line. That's good. Now, let's see if makakapasok pa itong isa pang free throw shot nito. That's good. At naibaba sa 13 ang kalamangan nito ating ACLC Hawks as of this moment na kaninang 15 puntos. For that 3, no good on that. Now, Annunciation's basketball. And we have the last 2 minutes of the second quarter. Nakita mo yung communication ngayon ng ating Annunciation Panthers. Pero medyo nababahiran nga nitong ating ACLC Hawks because of the defense na kanilang ipinapakita as of this moment. And adding the 2 points courtesy of jersey number. Now ACLC's basketball. Ang isang tanong dito natin ngayon, will the ACLC Hawks be consistent in doing their actions, in doing their strategies, in doing their tactics para makalamang dito sa ating Annunciation Panthers? We have 33-22 on our scoreboard, 11 points ang kalamangan nitong ating ACLC Hawks. Now, Annunciation's basketball. Medyo nahihirapan talaga itong ating Annunciation. Pagdating dito sa offense ang ginagawa nila, no good on that. That's in and out ball. That's good. That's good. Courtesy of jersey number 24 of the Annunciation Panthers. That's a bit. Sorry, that's DS rather of the Annunciation Panthers. Now, ACLC's basketball. And a quick turnover ang nangyari dito. At nagtawag nga ng timeout itong ating ACLC Naga kasi medyo umaangat ng pakonte-konte itong ating Annunciation Panthers with 33-24 on our scoreboard. 30.12 seconds na lang po ang natitira sa ating second quarter. At kailangan ng mag-ingat itong ating ACLC Hawks because they are on the penalty situation as of this moment. At kailangan nilang maging consistent sa mga ginagawa nila para hindi sila mahabol nitong ating Annunciation Panthers when it comes to the points na nakukuha nila ngayong patapos na ang ating second quarter. At pasalamatan natin ang ating mga sponsors. We would like to thank our special sponsors, Wow World of Waters, NCF TRC, and NCF IMC, and Digital Graphics. And to our Bukal sponsors, Bigs, Elite Sportswear and Uniform, HJB Pawn Shop, Havaianas, Ngo & Sons Trading and Industries Incorporated, Pocari Sweat, and 3GX ICT Solutions. Thank you so much po for supporting Bukal Season 6. Now we're back on our ball game sa laban ng ating ACLC Hawks at Annunciation Panthers dito sa Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. Now, bola ngayon ng ating ACLC Hawks. For that long three, no good on that. The ball will still remain sa side ng ating ACLC Hawks. Now we have 24.34 seconds remaining on our second quarter. And the ball will still remain dito sa ating ACLC Hawks. At tatawagan nga ng foul itong si jersey number 17 of the Annunciation Panthers at magkakaroon ng dalawang free throw shots dito sa side ng ating ACLC Hawks. We have Guarin on the free throw line and that's good. Adding 1 point to their team. 34-24 na po ang ating nasa scoreboard. 10 puntos ang kalamangan nitong ating ACLC Hawks. Now for the last free throw shot, no good on that. Now Annunciation's basketball. A steal from our ACLC Hawks. Pero grabe yung defense ang ipinapakita dito ng ating Annunciation Panthers. We have our last 3 seconds. And that's a good long 3. Courtesy of jersey number 29, but Dayaw of the ACLC Hawks. And that ends our first half of the game. 37-24 po ang ating nasa talaan. Naunguna ngayon ng ating ACLC Hawks. Magbabalik po kami for the second half only here at Toragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Business and Management, where your future in the business world begins. We offer a variety of programs tailored to equip students with knowledge, practical skills, and experience to prepare them for the challenges of the global marketplace. Our dedicated faculty members are industry experts and are committed to hone future entrepreneurs, marketing professionals, and business leaders. Begin your quest towards a successful career in business at NCF College of Business and Management. Enroll now and be a certified business-minded tiger.
Realize your dream community. Stay accessible. Invest in a high-value property at the Palm Village located at Zone 2, San Felipe, Naga City, and live 5 minutes away from Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City churches, Naga City universities, and secondary learning institutions. Palm Village is developed by Enjoy Realty and Development Corporation, realizing dream communities using Arise technology, making your family's home the safest, with solid concrete buhos, typhoon-resistant, fire-resistant, pest-resistant, and earthquake-resistant. Get a quote today. Talk to our accredited real estate brokers or salespersons, or visit Enjoy Realty and Development Corporation on the second floor, Aman Corporate Center, Parkview Executive Townhomes, Zone 6, San Felipe, Naga City, or call 0929-608-3744 and 054-884-5188 to make an appointment. Follow our Facebook page, Enjoy Realty and Development Corporation, for more details.
Bilis laki, nipis taba. BMEG! Bilis kita! Para sigurado, tinuloy-tuloy ko hanggang BMEG Premium Grower 1 and 2. Ito lang ang may Lean Plus technology. Kaya mas mabigat at manipis ang taba sa panahon ng pagbenta. Kaya mabilis ang kita. Tuloy nyo na! Bilis laki, nipis taba. BMEG! Bilis kita! Tuloy-tuloy ang BMEG Premium. Tuloy-tuloy ang kita.
Empower the next generation of engineers. The Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered and CM engineer. Enroll now.
now back dito sa Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium para sa labang ACLC Hawks at Annunciation Panthers at iniwan natin ang first half ng may score na 37-24 dito sa ating talaan at lamang ng 13 puntos itong ating ACLC Hawks. Now, ano kayang gagawin ng ating Annunciation Panthers para makahabol dito sa kalamangan nito ng ating ACLC Hawks? And on cue, nakahabol nga ng 2 puntos. Nakasungkit ng 2 puntos itong ating Annunciation Panthers. 37-26 ang ating nasa talaan. At naibaba sa 11 puntos ang kalamangan nitong ating ACLC Hawks. Siyempre, hindi naman papayag dito ang ating ACLC Hawks na malamangan nitong ating Annunciation Panthers. Pero parang itong ating Annunciation Panthers ay nagplano, nag-strategize sa kung anong gagawin nilang depensa at opensa for this quarter. At sunod-sunod ngang offensive rebound ang nangyayari dito sa parte ng ating ACLC Hawks. And now, turnover naman ang mangyayari dito sa ating laro on the 3rd quarter at bola ngayon ng ating Annunciation Panthers. Ano kaya mga bagong tactics, ano kaya mga bagong strategies at gagawin nito ating Annunciation Panthers para makahabol sa kalamangan nito ating ACLC Hawks. And now, let's have our courtside reporter, Rain, on the side of the Annunciation. Rain, what's the update there?
Hello, Mark. Communicate and know your positions in the hard court. Yan ang paalala ni Coach Ban sa players during timeout dahil nga ang Panthers are having a hard time finding their momentum. Ayon pa sa kanila, they should grab opportunities and be mindful of the screens they make. Apply a better defense and avoid turnovers. With the 3rd quarter starting, their aim is to have a better communication and proper execution of plays for them to close or better yet, take the lead. Now, paano kaya babawi ang Panthers sa quarter na ito? Yan ang dapat natin mga at Oracle Sports TV Liga, mga kampiyon. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Rain, sa update sa side ng ating Annunciation Panthers. They must double their time. They must strengthen their defense and offense dito sa ating laban for this afternoon. Dahil medyo nakakaungus na nga ito ating ACLC Hawks. At ano naman kayang mga bagong strategies, actions at techniques ang gagawin ditong ating ACLC Hawks dito sa 2 natitirang quarter ng ating laban. Now, ACLC's basketball. Now, let's have our courtside reporter, Chen, para magbigay ng update sa side ng ating ACLC Hawks. Chen, what's the update there?
Thank you, Mark. We are now on the half quarter of the game at kitang-kita naman natin kung paano ipinakita ng ACLC Hawks ang kanilang tibay at galing sa larangan ng basketball. Masiigihan pa nila at bibigyan ng mas nakakasakal na depensa dito sa ating natitirang 2 quarters. Yan muna ang update. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Shen, for that update sa side ng ating ACLC Hawks. Let's see kung magiging consistent nga itong ating ACLC Hawks sa pagpapakita ng kanilang husay at galing dito sa natitirang 2 quarter ng laban nila with the Annunciation Panthers. Now, back to the ball game. Now, let's have a replay of what happened on that moment. Now, si jersey number 3. And there's a foul happened there. Kaya magbibigay shots itong si jersey number 3 of the ACLC Hawks. And that's good. At merong ang couple of substitutions dito sa magkabilang panig. Now, Annunciation's basketball. But miscommunication happened there. Kaya mapupunta ngayon ang bola sa ACLC Hawks. Yan yung dapat iwasan nito ating Annunciation Panthers, yung sunod-sunod na turnovers ng bola dito sa laban na ito because we are now on the 2 crucial quarters of this game. That's good. Now Annunciation's basketball. At mapupunta. The ball will stay on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Now Balauro to inbound. Balauro on that 3, no good on that. Now ACLC's basketball. What will be their tactics? That's good. That's courtesy of jersey number 3. That's Basagre of the ACLC Hawks. Ginagawang style neto ating ACLC Hawks para mas malamangan, mas makalamang dito sa Annunciation Panthers. Pero hindi papayag itong ating mga Panthers. And a traveling violation was given to a player of the Annunciation Panthers. Kaya turnover ng bola dito sa ating ACLC Hawks. Again, ito dapat yung iiwasan ng ating Annunciation Panthers, yung sunod-sunod na turnovers netong ating ACLC Hawks. Kasi kapag sunod-sunod ang kanilang turnovers, sunod-sunod ang kanilang fouls, mas maliit ang tsansa na makakahabol sila sa kalamangan nitong ating ACLC Hawks. Handang mabibigyan ng free throw shots itong ating Annunciation Panthers. Ayan, shoutout tayo sa ating sa mga nanonood sa atin online. Hello, good afternoon kay Isaiah Lance Ong Sarte, John Michael Sales Mingo, Andre Liarena, Next Tiokson, Diswanco, Lizel Anturiano, Asetre, Patricia Remoliena, and Anaziel Omak. Ayan, thank you so much for watching and supporting Bukal Season 6. Now we have jersey number 29 of the Annunciation Panthers, Ebed, on the free throw line. Meron na po tayong 44-26 on our scoreboard at medyo lamang itong ating ACLC Hawks as of this moment. Now, that's a fast from jersey number 2 of the ACLC Hawks. That's Lagundi. Grabe, ang ganda ng execution at ang bilesa ng execution na yon ng layup nitong ating ACLC Hawks. Now, ACLC's basketball. Lagundi holding the ball. Passes to jersey number 7. Jersey number 7 naghanap ng kakampi. No good. At nabigyan nga ng foul ito ating si jersey number 29 of the Annunciation Panthers. Kaya magkakaroon ng true free throw shots itong si jersey number 10 of the ACLC Naga. That's Razon rather. That's good. 47-26 ang ating nasa talaan. 19-point lead ang kailangang habulin nitong ating Annunciation Panthers. Now Annunciation's basketball. That's good, courtesy of jersey number 4 of the Annunciation Panthers. That's Escolona. Now ACLC's basketball. Lagundi. Lagundi holding the ball. Passes to jersey number 3. Bring it back to Lagundi for that 3 points. No good on that offensive rebound courtesy of the ACLC Hawks. At napatawag nga ng timeout ang Annunciation Panthers because tuloy-tuloy yung pag-arangkada nitong ating ACLC Hawks on this third quarter with 4 minutes and 48. Ano kayang gagawin ng mga bagong strategies nitong ating Annunciation Panthers dito sa ating third quarter? At magwawalik po kami dito sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And now we're back dito sa Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium para sa labang ACLC Hawks versus Annunciation Panthers. 49-28 po ang ating nasa talaan at 21-point lead. Ito ang ating ACLC Hawks. Shoutout ulit sa ating birthday boy, Jasper Abante. Happy birthday to you. Now, ACLC from Guarin. Now, Annunciation Panthers basketball. At natawagan nga ng foul si jersey number 2 of the ACLC Hawks. Si Lagundi natawagan ng foul kaya magkakaroon ngayon ng dalawang free throw shot. Itong ating Annunciation Panthers. We have jersey number 28 on the free throw line. That's Maru of the Annunciation Panthers. Now, shoutout din kay Kirby Lance Tanyamor at kay Jelaine Amira Borja Magadia. Maraming salamat po sa pagtutok dito sa Bukal Season 6 at sa Oragon Sports TV. And do not forget to like and follow our official Facebook pages, Bukal, Oragon Sports TV, and One Media TV 48 Naga. And don't forget to subscribe and click that bell button sa official Facebook page, sa official YouTube channel natin na One Media TV 48 Naga. Now, back to the ball game. Annunciation's basketball nagmamadali. Si jersey number 30, but no good. Grabe yung depensang ipinapakita na ngayon ng ating ACLC Hawks dito sa kanilang laban kontra ng Annunciation Panthers. Kasi as what we said a while ago, etong ating ACLC Naga ay meron ng 5 panalo at 1 talo, while etong Annunciation Panthers natin ay kabaliktaran. 1 panalo at 5 talo dito sa ating elimination round ng Bukal Season 6. Now, ACLC's basketball. In and out ball, offensive rebound. Another offensive rebound. No good. Panthers. Kaya mabibigyan ng 2 free throw shots itong ating ACLC Naga. We have jersey number 7 on the free throw line. 51-29 na po ang ating nasa talaan with 3 minutes and 1 remaining on our third quarter. At again, kailangan ulit mag-ingat itong ating Annunciation Panthers kasi malapit sila sa penalty situation. Now, Annunciation's basketball, no good on that. Now, ACLC's basketball. Lagundi holding the ball. Pero guardyado nitong ating Annunciation Panthers. Now, Lagundi. Passes to jersey number 3. Jersey number 3, Sinuong. Jersey number 7. But a steal coming from jersey number 29 of the Annunciation Panthers. What's happened? No good on that. At tatawagan nga ito si jersey number 10 ng foul as of this moment. And ito na yung medyo kinakatakot ng ating Annunciation Panthers because they are now in the penalty situation. Itong ating third quarter ng laban with 2 minutes and 11, 51-29 na po ang ating nasa score. We have jersey number 14 of the ACLC Hawks, Guarin on the free throw line. Let's see kung madaragdagan ang puntos. And on cue, that's good. 52-29. Now, Annunciation's basketball. Again, batiin ko po ang lahat ng mga teachers natin sa buong Pilipinas ng Happy World Teachers Day. Lalo-lalo na po dyan sa mga teachers ng Naga College Foundation Incorporated Senior High School Department. Happy World Teachers Day po sa ating lahat. Now, ACLC's basketball. Talagang depensa kung depensa, opensa kung opensa ang ginagawa nitong dalawang koponan na ito at medyo nagkakaroon na ng intense moment. Medyo umiinit na ang pakiramdam dito sa Adno Gymnasium dahil sa laban ng dalawang ito. At gusto talagang makahabol nitong ating Annunciation Panthers kasi gusto nilang makamit ang pangalawang panalo, but jersey up from ACLC Hawks. That's Lagundi. Grabe yung nagiging contribution dito ni jersey number 2, jersey number 3 at itong iba pang players ng ating ACLC Hawks para magkaroon sila ng ganong puntos. Quarter. We have jersey number 28 on the free throw line. That's Maru. That's good. Adding 1 point on their team, 54-30. That's good. Let's see kung makakahabol pa ba itong ating Annunciation Panthers sa third quarter ng labanang ito. That's good again. Dire-diretsong puntos courtesy of Maru, jersey number 28 of the Annunciation Panthers. Now, ACLC's basketball. Lagundi holding the ball. Lagundi having communication with his members. Jersey number 7. Guardyado ng Annunciation Panthers kaya nagkaroon ng steal on the end. Now, jersey number 17. Passes to jersey number 29. No good on that. Now, ACLC's basketball. Lagundi. Guardyado ng Annunciation Panthers. Pero hindi pa daraig itong ating mga Hawks. Communication is the key. Ika nga nila. And that's good. Courtesy of the ACLC Hawks. And And that ends our third quarter. 56-32 na po ang ating nasa scoreboard. Lamang na po ang ating ACLC Naga. At wag po kayong bibitiw kasi magbabalik po kami for the fourth and final quarter ng laban nila here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And now we're back dito sa Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium para sa fourth and crucial quarter ng laban ng ACLC Hawks versus ng Annunciation Panthers. 56-35 po ang ating nasa talaan. Now, dito natin makikita kung talagang makakahabol ba itong ating Annunciation Panthers sa laban na ito. O, iuuwi na at magkakaroon ng 6 na puntos. Magkakaroon ng dagdag na puntos sa itong ating ACLC Hawks for this elimination round of Bukal Season 6. Now, Annunciation's ball. At naubusan. At naubusan ng 24 shot clock violation. Nagkaroon ng 24 shot clock violation. Ito ang ating Annunciation Panthers as of this moment. At ano kaya mga strategies ang ipapakita ulit ng ating ACLC Hawks para ma-maintain ang kanilang kampyonato at magkaroon ng 1 puntos pangkaragdagan dito sa ating elimination round. Let's have our courtside reporter Chen on our side of the ACLC Hawks. Now passes to jersey number 28. Passes to jersey number 17. Bring it back to jersey number 28. For that long three, no good on that. Babalikan natin mamaya ang ating courtside reporter na si Chen of the ACLC. Now ACLC's basketball. Now, jersey number 3 on that long three, no good on that. Now, jersey number 18, Detura, nagmamadali. Pero naagaw ni jersey number 14 of the ACLC Naga. Now, Lagundi holding the ball. Medyo nagkakaroon ng miscommunication dito ang ating ACLC Naga because of the defense na ipinapakita ngayon ng ating Annunciation Panthers. Now, Annunciation's basketball. Now, jersey number 28 on that long three. No good on that. Now, ACLC's basketball. But they steal from the Annunciation, and that's good. courtesy of jersey number 29, Ebed of the Annunciation Panthers. 56-37 na po ang ating nasa talaan. With 7 minutes and 5 remaining on our fourth and crucial quarter. Now Annunciation's basketball. Jersey number 17 holding the ball. Naghahanap ng kakampi. Kasi as of this moment, nakikita natin yung depensa ng ACLC Hawks and another two added courtesy of jersey number 3 and dapat tawagan ng timeout itong ating Annunciation Panthers because of this. Because dito sa sunod-sunod na ipinapakitang puntos nitong ating ACLC Hawks. 58-37 po ang ating nasa talaan. We are on the fourth quarter with 6 minutes and 32. At pasalamatan muli natin ang ating mga sponsors na College Foundation, Gold Clofa Construction, ACLC Naga, Lemon Residences, Ateneo de Naga University, NCF Wings, KD Sportswear and Apparel, Garden Cafe, Nagayan Travel and Tours, NCFV Gallery and Museum, Tigers Cafe, NCF Training Pool, NCF Indoor Firing Range, and this live stream is powered by Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated and Ravenous Communications Incorporated. Thank you so much po for supporting Bukal Season 6. At abangan ang laban ng Berde sa Berde. Mamaya po yan after this game. Abangan ang ACC Green Serpents versus NCF Tigers on the Juniors Division. Mamaya-maya po yan after this game of the ACLC Hawks and Annunciation Panthers. Now back to the ball game. And now we're back dito sa laban. We are having some technical difficulties here. Kaya pasensya na po kayo. But we are now again live sa Facebook page ng Bukal at Orago Sports TV. And as of this moment, we are on the fourth quarter at nagtawag ng timeout. Ito ating ACLC Hawks. 58-40 at naibaba sa 18 ang kalamangan netong ating ACLC Hawks with 5 minutes and 59 remaining on our fourth and crucial quarter dito sa Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. Mamaya-maya po, abangan ang laban ng Berde sa Berde, ACLC Green Serpents versus NCF Tigers in the Juniors Division. Mamaya-maya po yan after the game of the ACLC Hawks and Annunciation Panthers. At pasalamatan po natin ang ating mga sponsors, Aman Engineering Enterprise, Enjoy Realty and Development Corporation, Skytech Advertising, owned and managed by Mac Mendoza, Duty Free Philippines, shop at dutyfreephilippines.com.ph, Universidad de Santa Isabel, BMEG, Alagang BMEG, Alagang number 1, and Department of Agriculture, Bicol. And now we're back on the ball game. Now, ACLC's basketball. We have Bien to inbound. And now Annunciation Panthers ball. Detura passes to jersey number 72. Passes to jersey number 29 for the 3. No good on that. ACLC's basketball. Now Lagundi. Lagundi passes to jersey number 14. Passes to jersey number 3. Passes to jersey number 7. Pero grabe yung depensa na ginagawa ngayon ng ating Annunciation Panthers. At para makahingi tayo ng update mula sa side ng ating ACLC Hawks, mamaya-maya makakausap natin si Chen. Mamaya-maya. And now, Annunciation Panthers basketball. And now, I think ready ng ating courtside reporter na si Chen sa side ng ating ACLC Naga. Chen, what's the update there?
Thank you, Mark. Last quarter na nga, and during the huddle, Coach JP commended the consistency of the communication that they are showing dito sa ating Game 3 between the Annunciation Panthers. Makukuha na kaya ng Hawks ang panalo o makakahabol ba ang Panthers dito sa ating last quarter? Yan ang dapat nating tutukan, kaya manatiling nakatutok dito lang sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Chen, for that update sa side ng ating ACLC Hawks. Now, makikita natin dito kung mamamayagpag ang ating ACLC Hawks at makakamit ng isa pang panalo dito sa ating elimination round ng Bukal Season 6. And on the other hand, ano kayang gagawin mga strategy, mga tactics netong ating Annunciation Panthers para makahabol dito sa puntos ng ating ACLC Naga? Now let's have our courtside reporter, Rain. Rain, what's the update there?
Thank you, Mark. Still, the third quarter has ended in favor of the Hawks. With this, reminders are still and always given to the Panthers to box out and implement the plays given to them. With better communication, they will be able to improve their teamwork and performance inside the hard court. With the current result, the players are still eager to make the most out of this game. This is the final quarter. Abangan natin kung ano pa ang mangyayari sa larong ito. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Rain, sa update mula sa side ng ating Annunciation Panthers. Makikita natin dito kung talaga makakahabol pa ba itong ating Annunciation Panthers, because as of this moment, we have the remaining 3 minutes and 54 here on the fourth and crucial quarter of the game. At nadagdagan pa ng puntos itong ating ACLC Hawks. 60-43 ang ating nasa talaan. Now, Annunciation Panthers basketball. Now, Detura naghanap ng kakampi. Diaz to Detura. No good. Now, offensive rebound. That's good. Courtesy of jersey number 29. That's Ebed of the Annunciation Panthers. Now, ACLC's basketball. Jersey number 3. Sinusung ang depensa. Passes to jersey number 7. And a quick turnover ang mangyayari dito. Sa mga puntong ito. That's good. 2 points added on the Annunciation Panthers. 60-47. Sa mga puntong ito, posibleng makahabol pa itong ating Annunciation Panthers because we have 2 minutes and 43 in our fourth quarter. Medyo tumidikit na nga itong puntos nitong dalawang koponan na ito for this afternoon's game. Again, abangan ang laban ng Berde sa Berde mamaya-maya. That's ACC Green Serpents versus NCF Tigers on the Juniors Division of Bukal Season 6. Mamaya po yan after this game of ACLC versus Annunciation. Now, ACLC's basketball. Jersey number 20, Sandigan. Passes to jersey number 29. And on that 3. No good on that. Offensive rebound. 3 again. No good. Another offensive rebound. But medyo nagkaagawan ng bola doon sa dalawang kampo. And now, turnover ngayon sa side ng ating Annunciation Panthers. Jersey number 18 for that 3. No good. At binigyan ng foul itong si jersey number 20 of the ACLC Hawks. At nasa free throw line natin si jersey number 18 of the Annunciation. That's Detura. And we are on the last exactly 2 minutes of the game for this fourth quarter. 60-47 po ang ating nasa talaan. Lamang ang ating ACLC Hawks. Dito natin makikita kung talaga makakahabol pa itong ating Annunciation Panthers on this last 2 minutes of the game. And that's good by Detura. Now ACLC's basketball. Passes to Sandigan. Bring it back to jersey number 7. Naghahanap ng kakampi. Pero yung defense ang ipinapakita ngayon ng Annunciation. Yung nagpapahirap para makapuntos itong ating ACLC Naga. But 2 points was added on them courtesy of jersey number 10, Razon of the ACLC Hawks. A steal from our ACLC Hawks. Now Sandigan holding the ball. Pero hindi papayag ang Annunciation Panthers na magkaroon ng puntos itong ating ACLC Hawks. And the ball will still remain sa side ng ACLC because of that foul committed ng player ng Annunciation. Now Sandigan to inbound. Sandigan passes to jersey number 10, Razon. Passes to jersey number 29 for the 3. That's good! Ang gandang tres noon, courtesy of Padayo of the ACLC Hawks. Now, Annunciation's basketball. And we have the last 1 minute of the game. Grabe, sunod-sunod ang ginagawang puntos nitong ating ACLC Hawks. Sa quarter na ito, 65-48. At nandito na naman tayo sa pinaka-crucial na parte ng laban because as of this moment, papunta na sa penalty situation itong ating Annunciation Panthers. At naghihiyawan na itong ating ACLC community. Now we have Sandigan on the free throw line. No good on that. Now, jersey number 10, no good. Offensive rebound. Sandigan passes to jersey number 14. Passes to Razon. Razon passes to jersey number 1. Sinusungo ang depensa. But no good on that. At natawagan na naman ulit ng foul ang Annunciation Panthers. At meron na naman, mabibigyan ulit ng dalawang free throw shot itong ating ACLC Hawks. We have jersey number 1 on the free throw line. That's Buhay. 65-48 na po ang ating nasa talaan. Now, Annunciation's basketball. And I know na tungtuwa ngayon ang ating ACLC community dahil sa tagumpay ng ACLC Hawks dito sa laban na ito. At mauuwi ngayon ng ACLC Hawks ang panalo nila against Annunciation Panthers. Now, nagagawa ng bola. Now, ACLC's basketball with the remaining 40 seconds of the clock. No good. Now, offensive rebound. Grabe, nagiging intense ang laban na ito sa huling mga segundo. Dito mo makikita yung determination ng dalawang grupo na ito. We have 3.49 seconds remaining on the fourth and final quarter of this game. 65-48. Now, bola ngayon ng ating Annunciation Panthers. No good on that. And that ends the game between ACLC Hawks and Annunciation Panthers. 65-48. Panalo ang ACLC Hawks on this game at nakamit nila ang isa pang panalo dito sa elimination round, having them 6 wins and 1 lose. Now magbabalik po kami para sa best player of the game only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Business and Management, where your future in the business world begins. We offer a variety of programs tailored to equip students with knowledge, practical skills, and experience to prepare them for the challenges of the global marketplace. Our dedicated faculty members are industry experts and are committed to hone future entrepreneurs, marketing professionals, and business leaders. Begin your quest towards a successful career in business at NCF College of Business and Management. Enroll now and be a certified business-minded tiger.
Realize your dream community. Stay accessible. Invest in a high-value property at the Palm Village located at Zone 2, San Felipe, Naga City. And live 5 minutes away from Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City churches, Naga City universities, and secondary learning institutions. Palm Village is developed by Enjoy Realty and Development Corporation, realizing dream communities using Arise technology, making your family's home the safest with solid concrete buhos, typhoon-resistant, fire resistant, pest resistant, and earthquake resistant. Get a quote today. Talk to our accredited real estate brokers or salespersons, or visit Enjoy Realty and Development Corporation on the second floor, Aman Corporate Center, Parkview Executive Townhomes, Zone 6, San Felipe, Naga City, or call 0929-608-3744 and 054-884-5188 to make an appointment. Follow our Facebook page, Enjoy Realty and Development Corporation, for more details.
The best player of the game is brought to you by ACLC Naga Senior High School is absolutely free. Wag na nating patagalin pa. The best player of the game is none other than jersey number 10, Ralph Razon, with 22 points, 6 rebounds, 2 assists, 2 steals, and 1 block. Ayan, good afternoon and congratulations. Kwento mo naman kung paano nyo napanatili ang communication nyo sa loob ng 4 na quarters.
Napanatili po namin yun dahil sa practice po namin Monday to Friday po. Practice po kami sa communication play, ganun po.
Ayan, ito naman, how does it feel na natalo nyo muli ang Panthers?
Masaya po sa feelings kasi natalo namin ulit po.
Ayan, as the best player of the game, batiin mo naman or i-shoutout ang mga gusto mong pasalamatan.
Shoutout po kay mama, papa, ate, kuya, sa mga pinsan ko po, sa mga barkada ko po sa La Purisima at sa ACLC community po. Thank you po sa walang sawang suporta at kay ACL, kay Sir Adrian Litam at sa mga coaches po. Thank you po.
Ayan, thank you so much and congratulations. This has been Chen Shaira Nicolas, your courtside reporter, only here at Bukal Season 6, One Media, TV48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
And that is our best player of the game, brought to you by ACLC Naga Senior High School is absolutely free. We have jersey number 10, Ralph Razon, with 22 points, 6 rebounds, 2 assists, 2 steals, and 1 block. Congratulations to the ACLC community and also congratulations sa ating Annunciation community. Mamaya, abangan nyo po ang laban ng Berde sa Berde. That's ACC Green Serpents versus NCF Tigers sa Juniors Division dito sa Bukal Season 6. Again, I am Mark Christian Amante. Tutok lang for more actions dito sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.